On the most popular programming language Python. Python is the programming language in terms of developers, libraries and applications. Agenda for today is what is Python? Why we will use Python? What can Python do? Features of Python, application area of Python, career in Python. So now we will see what is Python. Python is a popular general purpose high level programming language with easy syntax. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Now, why we should learn Python and why we will use Python? It has easy syntax so anyone can learn Python easily. It is freely available, so no need to purchase that. It is cost free. We can download Python language easily from internet. We can create any type of application using Python. It has huge support of library. So now what can Python do? We can build web application, desktop application, IoT based applications using Python. We can perform data analytics, machine learning and AI concept using Python. Python can be used to develop games too. Now features of Python. It is an open source. It is embeddable. We can combine Python easily with any other language. For example, with HTML. Simple syntax Python has. Object oriented. It is platform independent, so we can install Python on any operating system. It has huge library support. It is portable and scalable. So these all are most popular features of Python. So that's why Python becomes most popular in today's era. Application area of Python. Google. You must know about Google search engine. Better search results in Google are provided using Python. Netflix. Machine learning in Netflix. Machine learning concept of Python is used to cluster user based on their interest in Netflix. Dropbox is using Python. The server and client applications are coded using Python. NASA Research Center. Scientific calculations are computed in NASA using Python. Instagram, most popular social networking website. It is built on Django framework of Python. And BitTorrent. Transfer of files between peer-to-peer using Python. Career of Python. Career in Python. Anyone can do web development using Python, so go in web development if you have learned Django, Flask or any other framework of Python. Data science and data scientists and data analytics can be made using Python. Game development is done in Python using Pygame module of Python. Software testing is also done using Python. And the most popular concept of today's era is big data analytics. It is done using Python. And IoT smart devices can be manipulated and managed using Python. So this is all about Python.